In today's episode of Good Tech Cheap, we have partnered up with Baseus to check out the A3 Lite car vacuum. Small and compact. Well, let's go get it out of the box and see what we think. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you're new to the show, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to receive notifications. Today's episode is brought to you by Baseus. We have partnered up with them once again to check out a car vacuum that they've got. It is the A3 Lite. It's small and compact and does the job. So we're going to get it out of the box and let you guys know what we think. All the links and details are located in the description. Don't forget about that. Well, let's go check it out. Right here we have the A3 Lite car vacuum. Let's get it out of the box, see what all we get. That way we can do some vacuuming and clean up the car. Right on top, looks like we've got some accessories. The car vacuum itself. Just shake everything out of here. I believe that is it. Then we've got a car vacuum in this box. Wrapped in plastic. Let's get it out of the plastic. And here we have the car vacuum. Feels very nice. Peel that off of the top. That's how you can open it up, dump out your trash. Right there on top. On the bottom, we've got our charging port, our power button, and it is charged. It's definitely got some suction. We also have two different suction modes. I'll show you how to access them right now. You press the power button once and it goes into the 7000 PA suction mode. Then you will short press the power button one more time to access the 12,000 PA mode. So you can hear it pick up a little bit. This mode is rated high enough to lift a mobile phone. So let's give that a shot. There you have it. You lift your phone. Pretty cool, right? Then you just hold down the button to turn it off and you're good to go. You can twist it right here. It will come apart and you can access the filter. It pops right out just like that. All right. Goes right back in. Line it back up correctly. There we go. That's handy. We also have, is it some attachments? Yeah, it looks like some attachments. Okay. A charging port. I thought I saw some grooves where this would, yeah, you can hang it up. That's nice. We got some others here. Right here there are attachments. It goes in. You can use that like that. That is really cool. We also have a carrying bag. We can put everything in and keep it real handy right there in your car. Looks like we also got some stickers along with a warranty card and of course our user manual. So this is everything in the A3 Lite car vacuum box. Let's give it a full charge and carry it out and clean the car. With an adopted upgraded driver system, the Baseus hand vacuum outputs high speed, consistent airflow while maintaining peak suction power during the whole vacuuming process. And all that is coming from its powerful but yet quiet motor. The triple phase brushless motor with speed up to 80,000 RPM from its 3200 milliamp large capacity battery offers a 25 minutes or longer operation with much less noise, rated lower than 65 dB.
making your cleaning much easier with more fun. When you hold down the power button, the vacuum will come on at a 7000 PA suction power, and then you can press the power button once more, going into the max suction mode at 12,000 PA. With one click, the cap of the dustbin will pop open automatically, so you won't have to worry about getting your hands dirty when you empty the dust inside, making this thing highly convenient. Not only is it a vacuum, but it's also an air pump and a blower all in one design, coming with 4 universal nozzles suitable for most small and large size inflatable products such as mattresses, inflatable beds, pool floats, sleeping pads, swim rings, inflatable furniture, and so much more. From cleaning the car to blowing up some floats around the pool, this thing has been a little beast, and I would highly recommend you to look into it.
Well, that about wraps it up for today's episode. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Get in the comments to let us know what your thoughts are on this car vacuum. And of course, a huge shout out to Baseus for partnering up with us to give you this review. All the links and details, of course, are located in the description, so make sure to check that out. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you can keep up with the latest reviews on the channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.